Here we go. Wheezey and Chase Puppies. 6 weeks old. They've all got homes already, but we like to get them out, move them around. Oh, I'm sorry, you gotta watch out. Y'all cleaning up your breakfast leftovers? Come on, Bubba. Yeah, everybody is. Here's everybody. Here they are, look. So we all got to get our pee-peeing and poo-pooing done. Yeah. Here they come. Boogity, boogity, boogity. The sunshine feels good after this cold night, don't it, babies? Yeah, it does. Oh, it does. Look at them. Come on, Bubba. Come on, big girl. She comes. Woo, watch out. I'm sorry. You got to watch out for these big old feet. Y'all get out here and have a good time now. Have a good time this morning. Yeah, have a good time this morning. What are you doing? Hey, little bit. Where you going, big boy? That little one's gonna bully you. Alrighty. I gotta go clean the kennel, so y'all have a good time.